Now we will start next topic of linear equation in two variable. How to solve the linear equation by graphical method. See the point. First, we learn that graph of linear equation is straight line. Second point, the order pair represents point on that line. Third, the order pair means AB coordinates. A represent x-axis and B represent y-axis. Fourth point, find at least 4 order pair for the given equation. 5. Draw x-axis and y-axis on paper and plot the 4 points. 6. Draw the two lines for these two equations. And 7 point, coordinate of point of intersection of these lines gives the solution of given equation. Students, we start practice set 1.2. Question number 2, example number 1. Solve the simultaneous equation graphically. See the equation x plus y equal to 6. This is the first equation. X minus y equal to 4. This is the second equation. First we find out 4 order pair, that is the solution, and then make the tables. Now we see the first equation. X plus y is equal to 6. Now put x equal to, we take any value. Here we take a 0, then 2, 3, 4. Any value of x. So we first take the x equal to 0. So right here put x equal to 0 in equation first. So x plus y is equal to 6. Right here value of x 0 plus y equal to 6. So y equal to 6. So we write here 6. We form this order pair 0, 6. Because first is a x coordinate and next one is a y coordinate. Now we take x equal to 2. So put x equal to 2 in equation first. So x plus y equal to 6. X equal to 2 plus y equal to 6. 2 here plus that side minus, y equal to 6 minus 2. So y equal to 4. So here the 4. We form next order pair 2, 4. Now next x equal to 3. So put x equal to 3 in equation first. So we form x plus y is equal to 6. What is the value of x? 3. 3 plus y is equal to 6. 3 here plus that side minus. So y equal to 6 minus 3. So y equal to 3. So this is the next order pair, that is the y is equal to 3. So 3, 3. This is the next order pair. Now last one, that is the put x equal to 4 in equation first. So we form x plus y is equal to 6. Value of x 4. 4 plus y equal to 6. 4 here plus that side minus. So 6 minus 4, y is equal to 2. We write here 2. So we form, this is the last one order pair. So this is the 4 order pair. Then we draw a graph of this equation. First we form the this table of second equation. Now see the second equation. This is the table of first equation. Now we will find out the table of second equation, 4 order pair. See the equation x minus y equal to 4. This is the second equation. So put any value. We take here 0, 1, 4, 5. So put x equal to 0 in equation second. So x minus y equal to 4. Here put 0 minus y equal to 4. So minus y equal to 4. Change the sign. Y is equal to minus 4. So we write here minus 4. This is the first order pair of second equation. Now we take x equal to 1. So put x equal to 1 in equation second. So x minus y equal to 4. 1 minus y equal to 4. So 1 here plus that side become a minus. So 4 minus 1. So minus 1 equal to 4 minus 1, 3. So y is equal to minus 3. So we write here minus 3. This is the second order pair, that is the 1 minus 3. Now we take the x equal to 4. So we write here, put x equal to 4 in equation second. So we write the x minus y equal to 4. Right? Put here value 4 minus y equal to 4. So minus y is equal to 4 minus 4. So minus y equal to 0. So y equal to 0. This is the next order pair, 4, 0. Now last, x equal to 5. So put x equal to 5 in equation second. So x minus y equal to 4. So 5 minus y equal to 4. Minus y equal to 4 minus 5. Minus y equal to 4 minus 5 minus 1. And y equal to 1. So we write here 1. 5, 1. This is the equation first and 4 point of equation first. This is the 4 point of equation second. And then we draw the line in a graph. So this line, two lines intersect in which point? That point is a solution of both linear equation. So we draw the x-axis and y-axis. See the first equation. First point is a 0, 6. 0 is a coordinate of x and 6 is a coordinate of y. So here 0 x coordinate and here 6 y coordinate. This is the first point. Now second point 2, 4. 2 is a coordinate of x and 4 is a coordinate of y. So this is the second point. So we take 2 and here the 4. This is the second point. Now third point is a 3, 3. 3 is a coordinate of x-axis and this one is a y-axis. So we take here 3 and this side. So we here point next. Now next is a 4, 2. 4 is a coordinate of x and 2 is a y coordinate. So here 4 and this 2. So we point here. This is the, now this is the 4 point of first equation. First, second, 3 and 4. So we draw the line of this equation. This is the line of first equation. Now we write here x plus y is equal to 6. This is the line of first equation. Now we see the second equation point. First point 0, 4. So 0 x-axis and 4 negative 4 y-axis. So this is the first point of second equation. Now 1 minus 3. So 1 is a x-axis and minus 3 is a y-axis. So we point here 3 and this 1. So we here. This is the second point. This is the first point. Now third point is a 4, 0. 4 is a x-axis and y-axis 0. So we here the next point this. And last point 5, 1. 5 x-axis and 1 become a y-axis. So 5, 1 we put a point here. This is the last point. Now we draw a line this second equation. So we form this type of now these two lines intersect on this point. This point is a 5, 1. So this is the solution of these two equations. Now solution of both equation become 5, 1.